In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and share folders in Outlook. If you're organizing project files or coordinating with a team, setting up a dedicated folder and sharing it properly keeps everything in one place and saves time. First, create the folder you want to share. In the Outlook navigation pane, find the Folders area on the left. Right-click Folders and choose Create New Folder. Give your folder a clear, descriptive name so people immediately understand what it's for, something like Quarterly Reports or Team Resources. Press Enter to save it. You'll now see that new folder in your folder list. Next, let's open the sharing options. Locate the folder you just created, or any existing folder you want to share, and right-click it. Depending on your Outlook version, select Sharing and Permissions or choose Properties. If you see Properties, switch to the Permissions tab in the window that opens. The terminology can vary slightly by version, but the process is the same. Now look for the option to add people. This is typically an add button or a small plus icon. Click it, and a window will appear where you can specify who should get access. Type the person's name or their work email address, then click Add. If your organization uses a directory, Outlook may auto-suggest matches. Make sure you pick the correct person before proceeding. With the person added, select their name in the list and choose the appropriate permission level from the drop-down. Here's a quick guide to help you choose wisely. Reviewer allows read-only access, ideal when someone just needs to view items without making changes. Editor grants the ability to read and modify content, which is great for collaborators who need to update files or emails. Owner provides full control, including changing permissions, and should be reserved for managers or folder owners who oversee the content. When you're confident the level is correct, confirm your changes by clicking Apply and then OK. Outlook will save those settings, and the person you added will receive an email notification with a link to access the shared folder. If they mention they didn't see the email right away, it can help to check their inbox filters. Once they click the link, the folder should appear in their Outlook, keeping everyone aligned and up to date. That's it. You've created a folder, shared it, and set the right access in Outlook. Thanks for watching.